And the national leaders of the Association of State Workers and delegates for national organizations gathered in the streets of the city of Buenos Aires, where they announced the stance taken by the union in view of the inauguration of the new government to be headed by President-elect Javier Milei, who has promised a sharp cut in the number of staff in various ministries. Our correspondent in Buenos Aires, Santiago Corey, has more.
Under the slogan Unity, Resistance and Proposal, the Association of State Workers, ATE, expressed the union's position on the national scenario after December the 10th.
The coming scenario does not seem to be easy for working women and men, for retirees, and for the populous sectors. What seems to be coming is an adjustment program of a magnitude that is impossible to measure. The chainsaw seems to have started with the people and not with the elites. The first thing they told us was that they were not going to pay our Christmas bonus, and now they are planning to lay off tens of thousands of state workers. Today we say here we are, united with the necessary strength to face the times ahead.
In relation to this scenario, Rodolfo Aguiar lists the steps to follow and calls other sectors to get together and take the streets.
We have decided to request the first official meeting with President-elect Javier Milei. We demand to know exactly what is the scope of the omnibus law he wants to send to the Congress. Secondly, we have ratified the state of permanent assembly and mobilization. If we do not receive answers by December 11, also the possibility to turn that same day into a national day of struggle across Argentina with a mobilization to the nation's Congress. Today, we also call for the unity of the three central trade unions. We call for the unity of both, the Workers' Central Union and the General Confederation of Labor, in order to walk through the times ahead.
In addition to the defense of the workers, they consider that the rights already acquired are at risk. What will perhaps end up disappearing is the universal allocations, because they're not going to stimulate money for that. They're going to let it fall. There are entire public assistance programs that will not continue to exist. When you reduce from 20 ministries to 12, what you do is that you lose rights, and then you have to see how those rights are going to be administered and in what way. The right to a salary is at stake. The Christmas bonus is being discussed. There will be hundreds of thousands of layoffs. There will be a planned poverty due to a systematic plundering plan. They have already taken away the debt capital, and they will try to do it again. They want to take the sovereignty away by selling off YPF, selling off the Argentinian airlines, all the issues that guarantee national sovereignty. Members of different organizations expressed the reasons why they are in a state of alert.
What we believe will truly happen because of what they are saying, it is a step back forward in terms of rights and in the sense, not only of jobs, but also those rights that have been acquired, especially during these 40 years of democracy.
We are in danger after 40 years of struggle, after 40 years of deaths, of missing people. We cannot understand how we have voted for our executioner, because they vindicate the darkest page of this country's history, the times of the military dictatorship.
All agree that if the measures announced by Javier Milei are implemented, all state jobs are at risk.
Santiago Corey, teleSUR, Argentina.